So do you know that 20% fail to work out this maths problem? So let's now start with our solution. So don't use the calculator. So we have 5 to the power of a is equals to 600. So we are solving for the value for a. So the first thing, let's now introduce the log. So now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of 8 is equals to the log of 600. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, this one according to the law of logarithm, we can write it as m, the log of p. So in this case now we shall have a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 600. So the next step now we shall now have to do away with log 5. So meaning that we shall divide both sides by the log of 5, then also this side by the log of 5. Log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so a is equals to the log of 600, then all over the log of 5. So let's now simplify it further. So the log of 600, we can rewrite it as a to be equals to log 600 is equals to the log of 6 multiplied by 10. So 6 multiplied by 10 times 10, that is 6 multiplied by 100, then all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by b, so this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we can have it as now the value for a is equals to the log of 6 plus the log of 100 all over the log of 5. So here now we shall say that so the value for a is equals to, so we can simplify the log 6 by having it as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then into bracket plus log 100 can be written as the log of 10 to the power of 2, because 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, then all over the log of 5. Then next our value for a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 2, then plus, so the log of 10 to the power of 2 can be written as 2 to the log of 10, then all of these all over the log of 5. So we shall now divide each log by the log of 5. So a is equals to, so here now we shall have log 3 all over the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5, then plus, so here now we shall have 2 log 10 all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have, for example, the log a, then all over the log of b, so according to the law of logarithm, we shall have it as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall now say that the value for a now shall be equals to, so the log of 3 to the base of 5, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus, so here now shall have 2, then the log of 10 to the base of 5. So this one now shall qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So far, if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm this answer if it is really true. So let's bring our maths problem. So we had 5 to the power of a is equals to 600. So on forming this, so now we shall have 5 to the power of, so instead of writing a, we shall write the whole of this. So 5 to the log of 3 to the base of 5, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2 the log of 10 to the base of 5. So this one now should give us 600. So next we can write it by now saying now we shall have 5 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 5, then the plus means multiplication, then 5 again to the log of 2 to the base of 5, then multiplied by 5 again, 5 to 2 the log of 10 to the base of 5 is equals to 600. So here now we shall work it out by saying that the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now shall remain with 3, then 3 multiplied by the log to the base of 5, cancel this 5, shall multiply by 2, then multiply by, so here now shall have here as 5 to the power, so this now shall be converted to the log of 10 to the power of 2 base 5 is equals to 600. So next now we shall work it, so 3 multiplied by 2, so here now we shall have 6, then 6 multiplied by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now shall remain with 10 to the power of 2, that is 100 is equals to 600. So 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600, is equals to 600. So it means that the answer that we got earlier is correct when you say that the correct value for A is equals to, so the log of 3 to the base of 5, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2 the log of 10 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.